So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++ 2010. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down, choose your language, and then click on download. You want to get both x64 and x86, tick them both, and then click on download. If this comes up, click on allow, which will let you download multiple files. They should now both be downloaded. You want to right click on one of them, and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. We're going to install them one by one. I'm going to start with x64. I'm going to double click on it and then click on yes. Once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I accept, and then click on install. It's now going to start installing, just wait for this to load. Once that's been done, click on finish. Now we're going to install the other one, x86. Double click on it and then click on yes. Again, tick the box, I accept, and then click on install. It's now going to start installing. Once that's been done, click on finish. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.